Hello and welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Shubham. Today I'm back again with a new topic that is discussing Salesforce's Web Console that Salesforce has released with its Spring 2026 release. In case if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, to subscribe to Long Switch Academy so that you never miss an update from us. Let's begin. For that, in order to access that web console, first of all, your sandbox, your developer or your Salesforce org should run on Spring 2026 release. So here, what I'll do, I'll go to this setup first, and in the setup, I'll search for development. This feature, this web console, currently it is in beta and it is not by default enabled. You have to go and enable it in your org. So you have to search for develop in the setup, and from that option you'll see web console. You have to pick that, and you'll see something like this is called web console setup. It clearly states that it is in beta, and what it is a browser based IDE for your Salesforce development. Earlier we used to use VS Code. Now we can also use this one to live update our lightning web components, or run up our like asynchronous apex or something like that, or anonymous apex that we can do. Now you have to read everything that what it takes to enable this web console in your org. First, let's read what it says. Web console is a beta service that is subject to beta service terms at agreement salesforce.com, which means it is a beta program. So we have to abide by those conditions. If you want to read, you can enable those, go and check out those agreements link, and enable web console beta 2. First, we have to allow all users to view all data permission from the setup menu, and control which code editor opens from supported entry points based on this org preference. For example, if web console is enabled, it opens automatically when the user edit from the Apex class detail page, which means that once you enable this web console, you can configure what should be the default editor when user tries to what I say uh, whenever user try to edit any of the Apex classes. Let's activate. So I have enabled it. Once you do that, you have to click on this setup menu, and now you can see that there is an option appearing here, that is web console beta. I need to click on that, and now I'm in brand new web console from Salesforce. It is currently loading. This feature is amazing, and day by day Salesforce is becoming more developer friendly, giving them direct access to modify the metadata such as Apex classes or Lightning Web Components. So here, this is how it looks, and this is the very first time I'm opening this web console. So I'll try finding my way around it. And here, this is their main home area. Then there are a couple of options that you can try out, that is customize layout, toggle primary sidebar, toggle panel, secondary sidebar. You can do that sort of things. Then on the left, we have these three icons that says what you can do. Text file, you can create a new text file, new window. There are so many things that you can do. Then there is explore. Let's click on that. You have not opened a folder. If I click on that, what it will do? It does nothing, I guess. Let's see. Let's explore. Okay, I clicked on that open folder, and now it is doing something. Let's see what it does. Okay. Okay. See, this is very interesting. It allows you it gives you the interface similar to what we work in the VS Code. It is basically, I guess, creating project out of the current org. That's what it is doing. And the same structure that we are, what I say, that we work with, this is the same folder structure that we get when we work with the like VS Code. So I believe it is going to give you same user experience when it comes to the ID as you were getting in the what I say as you are getting in the VS Code. So it is a big plus for me as a developer. So here it listed out everything from my org. It is really interesting, and trust me, I'm exploring this for the first time as part of this video only. So I'm really excited, and I wanted to share the true expression that I was about to get when I'm exploring this tool. So therefore, I didn't check it out prior to recording this session, and I just wanted to have the first-hand experience with you all. Do let me know what you feel about it. But one thing that I'm noticing, it's taking a bit of time, but I think my org is completely fresh. Therefore, I'm not getting anything. So let's do one thing. Can I create? Okay. I pressed Control Shift P and it is giving me the options similar to I used to get in VS Code. Let's say I want to create an Apex class. See the same SFDX extension you are getting here, and you can create a class. And now, interestingly, when we create a new Apex class, it gives us options such as if you want to create a default Apex class. Let's create a default Apex class, and I'll name it like LSA Web Console Explorer, and bingo, my class got created. Let's say I want to just edit it. Hello from Shivam. So I'm just creating a brand new class, and I'm just deploying or saving it in through the web console itself. See, if once this feature is available, generally available for everyone post this new release, this is going to be a game changer. You don't need a VS Code setup on your machine or something to run it. It will run on top of Salesforce, and you can do the development without even leaving the Salesforce. So this is a great move from Salesforce. I'm already liking it, and here it gives you the entire setup that you are already experienced with working the VS Code. So you won't feel that anything is new here. Here you can do the same things that you used to do with the VS Code, kind of. And here the project is like kind of available now. I I just even created a Apex class and saved it, and I'm getting exactly look and feel of VS Code. And the same controls, these are the same control that we get in the VS Code itself. And even you get the terminal also if you want to run some commands through the terminals, through the terminal and all that you can do, and everything you can do with the Apex class also. So it is really interesting to see how it turns out. And here one more thing, that even we are also getting the same feature as VS Code, that is Salesforce org browser, that allows you to explore the metadata of your uh, entire org without moving outside of Salesforce, without requiring any third party what I say applications or any third party tool to do the same. You can explore everything within the org itself without leaving your Salesforce org also. So it is, I would say it is a really big game changer from Salesforce. Let's try exploring Apex classes. And you see, earlier there was no Apex class. We created this one, and now it is available. So it is really interesting to see, and I would love to explore this further, like by creating Lightning web components and playing around this web console. To sum up, Salesforce Web Console is a lightweight yet powerful IDE that resides within your Salesforce org, and it strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, which makes it comfortable for quick, agile, and friendly development workflows. Do let me know what you feel about it, which feature you like the most, and how you look at the overall Salesforce aim to have this web console generally available. To let me know whether it is related to their move towards the agentic development or AI based development. Share your opinions, share your ideas in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to Long Switch Academy. And until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Long Switch Academy. This is your host bidding you goodbye for now. Thank you.